The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, which had taken a decision to put a stop to tax deduction of all agricultural produce within the council's jurisdiction, had also decided to issue a notification to the same effect, which will be in line with that issued by the office of the SAM of Himamayam. The decisions were taken in the presence of the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Titos Khan, officials of the Darbas AM of Himamayam, traders and farmers. Speaking to reporters on the 10th of May 2023, the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Titos Khan, informed that a special committee will be constituted to see to the welfare of farmers who are within the council's jurisdiction. The committee will be headed by the CEO of the KHADC and representation by executive members of various departments of the council, the Hill Farmers Union, traditional heads like the SAMs and Sardars of areas under the KHADC, and traders will be included. At the same time, the CEM of the KHADC also informed that a second amendment to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment, Management and Control of Market Act had been tabled before the Council by its Execution Committee, wherein sections to the levying of taxes on farmers have been incorporated. The proposal will later be discussed with the state government in order to speed up the process of assent by the Governor of Meghalaya to the Second Amendment of the Act.
Nadu kasnam arhajar khat phra bat khat khandai ter niladon bhagi jinge kendu ki bana kapor se kapor hakabede bat kajike ju kinograp kham tam particular kepada po yudu kaba kinograp na kapor se kapor ki ju ai ki jing ujor shangi ba kadon kata ke jing 4 kilo ya kinograp tegani ke jing kaba đây cái badang xiên rồi cái bala slam tiền rồi nak liang trong ki isi cái bala dep bada ka por ka ba iba penia ilong ki deputy CM niladon ka komiti ka kerpang alo ki banta ba ilong chairman but nado kata ka ka ba ngialong house nam araja khatda but langba ka ni ka notification ka ba laai na ni ka hukum ka ba laai na ka liang cho ka Himamayam alor kan ka jing 4 kilo rei hado mentang ngim studio kanunu ka jing ujo ngim studio shu adin bala beni kan ni lo kisen studio shu kanunu ka jing ujo bakan don ka 4 kilo den rei isu thu bahang ni hantai ka don ka jing tena ta ka daw ni la review biak la ni khot biang ni ka jing lang mentasi lang banyak liu jing mo shu ba kai ka ba ngile ani skman namar ba ngisuk thu ba wat la da kam la don kata kecing ka balong prom ka balong major rei hang ni hantai ngisuk thu ka don kecing ujor na kinograp ba kadang ya kenika hidup kenang magani kecing ka bangila man pet na kapor sa kapor ni la rai ba ngindon ke komiti ka bakatpang special committee ha ka ba clear da mga UCM ba hingkat kecing hingkat ke KM dekat iba penyai bat kumjuru bat ki nakaliang jong ke union ke Hills Farmer Union kinong kam ba kumju nakaliang kinong khai bat lengkat bat ki clear nong sensa kemudian ki CM ki sodar jong kini ki ilaka ki hima ki badon hapo pu sam jong ka district council ka amendment bill ka badai ya ka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Establishment, Management and Control of Market. Kani di ka second amendment ka bangilawan ra lengba kani ka padha kani ka kiladon kini ki close tiba ngila mana teng haga jinga dei ba kani ka kiladon ki section ki bang insert ani ba nginang penbah ju padha ka ju ka poru hadin bangila dep finalize kani ngin sai kendu ya state government ba kan penstet aka banginyo no ya ka asen no gobernur bangan itu ipi sisin makani ka ak gilayo ban asen no gobernur kini iji tiba ngia kendu nakapos kapon on salaban yarap on salaban ko